In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Taobao and Alipay account. 2025, step by step. By the end, your Taobao and Alipay will be securely linked so checkout is faster and more seamless. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Taobao login page at login.taobaoao.com. Sign in using whichever method you prefer. Your password, a one-time SMS code, or by scanning a QR code with the app. Make sure you're on the genuine site and that your network is stable, since you'll be receiving verification messages in a moment. Once you're signed in, move your mouse to your profile area at the top of the page. Depending on the layout, it may appear in the top left or top right. Click into Account Management or Account and Security, which you may see labeled as Zhanghao Guanli or Zhanghao Anquan. This is where Taobao keeps all your security and linkage settings. Inside those settings, look for the option related to Alipay. It may be called Bind Alipay, Alipay Binding, or Alipay Account Management and could show as Bang Ding Ji Fu Bao. Click that to start the connection process. You'll now be asked to enter the phone number tied to your Alipay. First, choose your correct country code from the drop-down, for example, +63 if you're in the Philippines, then type the mobile number linked to your Alipay account. Be sure to enter it without the leading 0. This detail matters because the system reads the country code as the first digits. Next, complete the slider verification. Just drag the puzzle slider across to confirm you're a real person. If it doesn't pass on the first try, wait a second and try again smoothly. Alipay will send a 6-digit SMS code to the number you just provided. Keep your phone nearby, enter the code promptly on the Taobao page, and avoid sharing it with anyone. If the code expires, simply request a fresh one and use it immediately. A prompt will appear asking you to authorize Taobao to connect to your Alipay account, often labeled Shouquan. Click Agree, Confirm, or Authorize, shown as Tongyi or Keiding. This permission is necessary so Taobao can use Alipay for payments and checkout. Once approved, you'll see a success status indicating Alipay is bound, often marked Yi Bang Ding. From here on, expect quicker payments and smoother, sometimes automatic login at checkout. If your interface language differs or menu